Yesterday, I asked a professional marketer who has been in marketing for the last 15 years, what should ordinary people do? And the answer will blow your mind. He said, ordinary people shouldn't try to look rich or copy some talent or copy stuff that they know nothing about. They should do the opposite thing. Just be as ordinary as possible and emphasize being ordinary, because that's something people can relate to. Do not pretend to be a professional when you're not. Makes no sense. Emphasize the fact that you're just like one of us, like everyone who's browsing their phone on TikTok. Check out these accounts that are just copying like the TikTok cooking tutorials and showing off how they fail or how they actually succeeded in doing that tutorial. Or look at just a normal size woman showing off clothes and selling them in a TikTok live. That sells much better than if it was a supermodel, because seriously, the 1% is a supermodel. You're not selling to the 1% and not getting any success with that. It's not very relatable. If you're just an ordinary person, but you have a distinction, like this guy, he can't not sing in tune. It's just funny to listen to it because he doesn't even hit any pitch, no notes there, it's all wrong. But it's funny content. It's just a normal you and me who's not good at singing, but it's relatable. People like this kind of content. Now, most people now, they will say, hey, I've posted videos of my daily life and didn't get any views. Why? Think about it. Ordinary person plus food, that's relatable. Ordinary person plus an outfit, that's also relatable. Ordinary person plus something that happens in life, again, relatable. Ordinary person that has some funny distinction, fun. Think back now, did your videos actually emphasize that you are ordinary and not special? If you didn't do that, follow me for more.